All right, everyone. So this is how to install your ABS sensors for your Cadillac CTS. This is a 2015. So I've already done the front. These are the two old ones, and these are what the new ones look like. I got them from Rock Auto. Awesome place to order parts. Now, this is important. I went ahead and looked up the part number for everything. So as you can see here, if you look at your plugs, so your front left, front right, rear left, and right rear. Those are the part numbers for it, and although they look very similar, so these are the two front ones, your 4.9s, your 6.8s, it's just different lengths and stuff, so that's important to have. And yeah, go ahead and jack up your car. Jack stands and wheel blocks always. All right, so in order to do this, these are just some of the tools that you're going to need. Definitely safety glasses, some PB blaster, a 10mm socket, flathead screwdriver, needle nose, this star bit. You may not need this for the back. And yeah, a couple of little extra tools here, some clips and a little pokey tool. So, all right, go ahead and get under and I'll just show you the basics here. All right, so very simply, the reason why I'm doing this is because when I change up my hubs, I clip my ABS sensor. So right there is your ABS sensor. It's a 10mm nut. Follow that cord up, and there's just a couple clips. See right there's one, there's a clip. And then I might have to come around this back side here. Right here, little clip. These are easy. I need my flathead screwdriver to do this, but you just pull this tab out. Oh, I might be able to get it with my finger. Oh, I got lucky. So, yep, just do these clips. Follow this cord up. It comes under this subframe here. And then if you come up over on this side, up with the subframe, right here's your main clip. You can see that little red and blue there. Bingo, that's your main clip. You pull this red clip out towards you, and then you take your little my little orange tool there, and you kind of just pry up inside there and pull that out. And same with the other side, you know, for the rear here. So look, there's one there, and then you can see the other one right here. So, and then that goes to that wheel. So yeah, I'm not gonna give too much. It's very simple. You put your 10mm on here, take this out, and just, or where is it? Over on this side, and just gently pry that out, and undo your clips. You know, make sure you remember where all your wires goes, and then unclip this clip right here. Like I said, just pull the red out towards you. I can't do it with my one finger, but that comes towards me. And then once you pull that out, you can take your little orange tool and just, you know, kind of like a clip, you know, you push down with your thumb. Well, this one goes the other way. You got to pull it up. So that's why you stick your little tool in, pull it up, pops right out, and put your new one in. So yeah, guys, pretty simple, pretty straightforward. But yeah, and then again, these are what the old one looks like. So you can see here, I snapped, I don't know if you can see that. I snapped mine off, and there's a sensor. You can see the metal on the inside there. So it is important. It's supposed to look like this. See the difference? So otherwise, a lot of your electronics won't work. You know, ABS, StabiliTrak, even the all-wheel drive shuts off on these without these ABS sensors, because the headlights, when they move like this, because that's all how it gets that information. So yeah, pretty straightforward. And you know, again, I'm not going to show you taking off the clips and stuff, because you know, it's pretty simple. You just pull them out like that. You can use your pliers. These are old ones. It comes with new clips, but you will need to save. There's two little ones that go here and here. So there's 2 of them you need to save. The rest of these ones you can just junk. But yeah, all right guys, thumbs up, like, subscribe.